guys, it's me, Aiza.
Yeah.
Her iPad. Okay, so today I'm gonna be rating my old guns that I don't remember. So we're gonna go to our guns that my mom found in our back of our room. So let's go and see. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna grab all the guns. So I kinda the other one is broken, so I still have to show you guys. Let me grab the gun. I press the home button. Okay, we're gonna go in this chair over here. Okay. Here we go. Okay guys, we're all set up. Here's all my guns. I'm gonna step it away so you guys cannot see it. Put it right there. Oh. The first gun is Iya, I need you here. Iya! Iya, come here! Just come here. You're gonna be starting in my vlog. I-rate natin 1 to 100 dapat, okay? Isabi natin kung maganda or hindi. Dito ka po. Sit down. First gun is we pick the first gun. Okay. We pick this gun. It's okay. Okay, first this one. It makes a lot of sounds. And you can squeeze it. It's not hard. I don't remember that. I remember this. No, Iya doesn't remember that. Yes, this article. I don't remember that. That was still I was a baby. I love guns.
This one is have a bubble, but you have no more bubbles.
Yeah. I think you put bubbles inside, but I think you don't put bubbles inside.
No, it's gone now.
I think it's just dirty.
Ate, let's go.
Okay. I'll give it a 5.
I'll give it a 1.
1, it's not maganda.
Maganda. Pero 2 out of 10.
2 over 10. Okay, I'll give it a 5 because I like the sound. And it's really cool.
Okay,
Next. Let's do
orange.
this one. Okay. Oh, I like the colors. This is my favorite gun.
And
Ngayon.
you try it.
Yeah.
Tung, tung, tung. Di na.
I'll give it a 100 out of 10.
I'll give it 1 out of 10 because it's too tagas.
Yeah, it's very thick. But I love the color. That's why I'll give it a 5. That's why I give it a 100 out of 10. Next!
Ako na naman yung question mo.
Okay, we're gonna grab the blue.
This is, I'll give it 10 out of 10 because it's so powerful. It's so fun to play it. Pew 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 pew.
Okay, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Not bad.
1 out of 10.
No, 6 out of 10. Next is
Me.
Okay, this one. So this one, it's really cool too. Wait lang.
You can pull this one on here, and you can pull here. Next, you can press this. Oh.
Okay, there's like a big ball, but it's wala. Guys, there's like gonna be a big ball. Wait.
Like this big ball.
Yeah, like a big ball. And then you put it inside here, and then you pull this, and then you pong! I think it's hurt. I think it's masakit.
I think ilagay mo ganyan, tapos iganito, tapos iganyan, i-pull, tapos bam!
I was natakot. No, I was takot. Okay, next gun is...
Nasira one na tikwain mo.
Okay.
This one is here.
Okay, what's happening?
This one.
Yeah! Okay, we got that one. That one is the broken one. I actually broke it ngayon.
Yeah, because it's too hard.
Because I was keep TikToking.
Kanina.
I was TikToking and then I was like, oh, it's broken.
Like this na ganyan mo, ate.
I like this.
Ganyan
I like
mo.
this. Oh, I like this. I like this. Spin and then I like the spin and then, wait. I like this. I spin and then I like that and then it broke.
And that's like this, bang.
Yeah. So
Next, we can
I'll
make
give
it
it
a
5 out of 10 because it's broken and it's also my ikadalawa favorite gun.
Pero okay lang siya, ate.
Yeah, we're gonna pa-fix it with Papa.
So, may papa kami. Pag wala kaming papa, hindi na ito ma-fix.
Yeah, we have a dad, but my dad is in work.
Yeah, my
today.
dad is work and my ganas.
My daddy is in work right now.
Because he's
Oh,
gonna
wait.
bili my gatas.
No,
pag
he,
he, go bili me
Okay,
gatas.
next gun is this gun.
No, me. I'm gonna question.
Okay.
Wait lang natin na yan. Yan lang muna.
Okay, yellow and red. Okay, so we got this.
This is so super cool because you're gonna patay this all. Pew! Now,
Yeah,
pew, pew, pew.
that's ES, one
Gun.
favorite gun.
This, I'll give it 10 on a 10, 10 on a 10, 10 on a 10, 10 on a 10
I'll
because
give
it's like a Call of Duty. Kasi ganito yung ganang Call of Duty pero iba din sila nagagayin. Pong!
Yeah, okay. Next, I give it a 5 out of 10.
Because it's not super cool.
Yeah, it's not that good. Okay, mag-bye na tayo. Thank you guys for
Bye!
watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Kaya magbili na naman tayo. Magbili din kami ng extra bread!
Okay, but I'm gonna sabi you what's my favorite balel. This one is my first favorite, and then the Sirat one.
This one is my favorite gun. This one and this one.
So yeah, it's a little gun is this, and my little gun is this.
But I want this one.
Okay, but I want. Okay,
But
this one.
all your black.
Yeah.
I want all black. I want all black.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Bye! Wah! Wah! Thank you for salihing in my vlog.
You're welcome. I love you.
Bye. Okay, bye-bye.